everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will unbox my Lookfantastic box, Lookfantastic of November. So I'm happy you came here to watch my video. So let's start with the video. So if you can see look at this packaging, so beautiful. So every month when I got my Lookfantastic, I'm so excited to unbox it because I'm very curious to know what they have sent me. So let's unbox it. As usual, you can see the beautiful codes. Every single box you can see they put some beautiful codes. So yeah, this is for you, the codes. And El Magazine UK in English. I think it is yeah, a good size. And even look at this ad, perfume Louis Vuitton. I think it's beautiful. Yeah, this is a product. And then they give us this beautiful leaflet about the products, what are the products, what are the beauty, the trends. So yeah, if you see, it is like this, and you get this. These products so beautiful. And wait, I will show you. These are the products the package on this box. So, and then they give you some beautiful instruction how you can do hot chocolate recipes. I think it is a good idea. And the perfumes, this is perfumes. If you love perfumes, like the latest, yeah. And in the next box you can get these products. So yeah, let's start with the products. So yeah. Okay. They sent me this beautiful dog. It is a bubble tea. Lookfantastic bomb. You use it for the shower. This is Lookfantastic dog bomb, wonder bomb, bath bomb. Our limited edition bubble warm tea is back. The luxurious bath bomb is infused with acai berry and hibiscus, filling your bath with color and a fragrance to stimulate the senses. Get ready to feel rejuvenated and refreshed with the added bonus of the super soft and hydrated skin. How to use it? Remove all the packaging and drop the bath bomb under a warm running water. Allow short time to dissolve, light your fragrance and soften the water. BB tips: when you start in the bath, rub water along to the skin to ensure you're getting all benefits of this amazing bath bomb. So yeah, if you can see. If you want to have a me time, a relaxed time, yeah, I think it is a good treat for yourself. So yeah, this is like this. If you can see well. So this is a full size product. The second product is Laura Geller. I don't know how to pronounce. It is a baker gelato small illuminator in gilded honey. Such a pretty color. I really like it. I'm so excited about this product. I really wanted to try this. So beautiful. If you can see. If you're a dog like me, this color will pop on you. So such a beautiful color. It is gold. Such a beautiful. This is gilded honey. So yeah, I think we must try it a bit. Ooh, did you see that? I really like this product. let's see what he said. Um, Enhance your natural glow of the party season with this baked highlighter that feels like a cream, applies like a sheer powder. Um, Illuminate your face, your body with golden color that bestows your complexion with natural looking and luminosity. Luminosity. Oh, if you can see the color, oh, such a pretty color. I really like this. I'm so happy they sent me this. How to use it? Sweep all over the face from the lid within the glow. Spread your brush and apply highlight with this and even strong for a stronger pigment. It costs around 21 euros. Yeah, for the full size. This is a sample. So this is a sample size, if you can see. This is the second product. I'm so happy for this product. And the third product is Rand. It is a Global Protection Day Cream for sensitive skin, made in USA. So what is this? If you can see, the product is like this. You can have an idea. So our skin is regularly exposed to environmental pollutants. Soothe and protect your skin with this gorgeous cream that trains your skin to be less sensitive while fighting against damage caused by free radicals and environmental aggressors. How to use it? After cleansing and gently massage a small amount of the cream in your face and neck absorb. Okay, this is BB tips. If you suffer with sensitive, dry and inflamed rashy skin during and after pregnancy, this really works to soothe any issues. This is suitable for the pregnant woman. So yeah, I really like this product. So I will list the price, and I think this is a high-end product. So yeah, this is the third product. And the fifth product, let's see the fifth product. The fifth product is Mellow. Is Mellow, you can see. Mellow. It is an eyeliner. So, precision eyeliner. Let's see. Okay, if you can see like this. You can see the tip is very thin. So yeah, you can have an idea. So thin. So this costs around 18 euros. So yeah, great. What is say? Let's see what is this eyeliner. Precision pen eyeliner. Get striking eyes for every occasion. This long-lasting super black formula creates the thinnest or the thickest wing liner in one sweep and gives eyes a bolder look without having to try too hard. How to use it? Sweep along with your lash line in whatever style you wish. BB tips: to ensure a straight line, use a sharp edge such as credit card for the perfect click. It says you use like this tip for the perfect flick, and you can do it. Okay, this costs around $18. 18. So yeah, it has the Instagram. Designed and developed in New Zealand. Follow Mellow Cosmetic on Instagram. So yeah, they have the Instagram if you're interested. This is the fourth product, and the fifth one is this. Ooh, I really love this LMS. This is a high-end brand. So let's see. Papaya enzyme peel. This gentle exfoliator will make your complexion appear smoother and brighter by dissolving dead cell skin without rubbing or making it perfect. So making it perfect for delicate skin as it gives antioxidant and free radical protection. Your skin will be treated seaweed actives and vitamin E, leaving you with a smooth, moisturized, and remineralized skin. How to use it? Apply it to a clean skin. Avoid the delicate areas. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with warm water to reveal a brighter complexion. Only use 1 or 2 times per week for correct exfoliation. So yeah, you don't need to use it every day because it will irritate your skin. So 2 times per week it's okay. So yeah, I don't the full size is for this is a 15 ml. If you buy it for 50 ml, you will pay around 40 euros. Okay, and the last one is this contour lipstick, contour cosmetics. Oh, this is a matte lipstick. This is the color. If you can see the color, I don't know if you can see the color. This matte kiss-proof liquid lipstick is designed to last all long day. The pretty nude pink shade is perfect for an everyday look with a soft finish that doesn't dry out the lips. Encased in luxurious rose gold packaging. Yeah, the packaging is so cute. Is highly pigmented liquid lipstick is a must-have in your makeup bag. So how to use it? Outline the lips and then fill in with the liquid lipstick. So yeah, you use it. Baby tips: apply then dab with tissue for a blur liquid lipstick look. So I don't know the price. I will list it. So yeah, I will say I have this box is so good, so nice. So this is the full size product 1. This is the second full size product 2. And this is the third full size product. So we got free full size product and we got free sample. This is travel size 15 ml, 15 ml. This is a sample size. So I will say the box is not bad because you get free full size product and free sample size. And these are the high-end products, the expensive one, luxurious one. So yeah, I'm very happy for this box. And yeah, we will meet the next video. I'm so happy you came here to watch my video, so thank you for that. And we will meet next video, so stay tuned and take care of yourself. So bye bye, we will meet soon. So bye bye guys, bye bye, take care, bye bye.